What's good, y'all? Welcome back, man. Welcome back. Let's talk some drip. Let's talk some crypto. For everybody that's new to the channel, please help me out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. It's fresh, and this is Crypto Masterclass. I'm up drinking coffee, about to get this day started. Next step is I'm gonna go to the water, man. Get my meditations in. Drip Network and other cryptos. What's the focus right now? The focus right now, y'all. Drip is at 26 cents at the time of this video. And I mean, a lot of us have seen drip all the way up over $150 a coin. What was the height? Like 165, 170. I think it spiked all the way up to 170, 180, something like that. Over $150 a coin. And we rode that wave. When I got in drip, y'all, it was at like between $7 and $14. I just kept watching it to see what it was gonna do, because at that time there was nothing like drip. There was none of these other dApps. You know what I'm saying? I can't even think of the dApp that was before drip. It was Bank Teller. And Hex has been around. You know what I'm saying? Hex was around. The point of this video, y'all, is the emotional roller coaster of crypto. Because see, this is the thing that's different between me and a lot of people. A lot of these people want to come on and just keep you hyped and give you a little bit of news. See, I'm not listening to these YouTubers. I'm not listening to these crypto YouTubers. You got to remember one thing. You got to pay attention to the market and the money, not just crypto. The people that I'm studying, the people that you should be, not financial advice, the people you should be listening to is the economists. You know what I'm saying? Like, one person I'm always constantly listening to is Ray Dalio. He's one person. And there's going to be people, that's the thing. See, I say names, and then the people that y'all think is the biggest ones in this crypto thing, they watch my videos. Then they go and do rebuttals. And it's not no competition, y'all, because every person, Nipsey Hussle said it best, this is a marathon. It don't matter who you start with in the marathon. When you hit that and you go through that tape, it's on the person versus the person. But they'll run around and want to say, well, you got to do this, you got to do that. Listen, y'all, you got to get beyond just listening to these YouTubers. Study the market. The greatest advice I'm trying to tell you, listening to the most powerful people on the planet, whether it's an audio book. People might want to say, well, you can't get this out of a YouTube clip, but you got to understand and do your own research from the economy, y'all, from the market, from the economists. Study the highest people in the level, whether it's Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio. There's a list. I'll give you a list of a whole bunch of people you need to be listening to. And then if you bounce back to crypto, but a lot of y'all stuck in this bubble of cryptocurrency, and you're not really getting no updates about the market and what's going on. I know some of y'all didn't watch the video where I talked about bricks. And a lot of people, you know, they come on and they do their rebuttals because I know they're watching the videos. I know what I say. I remember. And they have their rebuttals. Why would all of these countries around the world be getting together if it's not for just resources? Why would they be getting together if they're not getting together about finance? This video is not just about drip. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. I wanted to have a real raw conversation with y'all about really studying the markets, being able to follow and pay attention to how the money is moving, so that way you know it's not just, for me, it's not just about crypto. I'm about to invest into some lithium stocks, and I don't even invest in stocks. I sold all my stocks years ago. Like, I'm not even messing with stocks no more. But pay attention to where the money is going. To me, in my opinion, the worst thing for you to hold, y'all, unless you're going to spend, I don't even say spend no more, but unless you're going to purchase something, the worst thing for you to have right now is paper money. You should be putting all of your paper dollars, all of that, into assets, y'all. You should be trying to have as many assets as possible. Getting back to Drip Network. Drip, to me, is an asset. at this time, because we don't know if drip gonna go to zero. Nobody don't know that. They get on here and get you hyped. They get you emotional. But when you look at the market is so emotional. You got to do the opposite. All people that are champions find a way. When they win, they get beyond their emotions. They be able to take the energy and to control the energy. When you look at martial arts, I got homies that's martial arts and they showing me, and they call it the chi. You got to get beyond the emotions. I'm not going to sit here and keep looking at these charts and keep getting y'all all hype and get y'all amped up. I'm not trying to tell y'all to live in fear either. A lot of people ride this emotional wave when things go good. You just seen the meme craze come back in Pepe. Look where it's at. Phew, it's gone. And now what time is it again? It's Bitcoin. I'm not going to sit here and tell y'all, well, these are the cryptos you should invest in. These are the ones you shouldn't. It's, for one, you got to get your psychology together. You got to get your emotions together and how you move. Right? Mental, will, all of the things that's comprised in the soul. You got to get these things together, man. So many people out here that's just emotional. This market, I'm like, man, it's just too emotional. When everything going good, pay attention to what I'm saying. When everything going good, everybody buying. We in the green, we in the green. And then you'll have China, or you'll have something that come along and everybody will panic sell. You'll have the company right now that's the largest asset manager in the world. They doing what they do, and they are manipulating the market. News come out, it hit Google, it hit the YouTube, it hit Twitter, and stuff goes viral, and everybody like, they get emotional. Not bricks. My brain be moving so fast, y'all. Largest asset managers on the planet, BlackRock. With this video, summing up the video, get off the emotional roller coaster. Continue to stack your acorns, y'all. Continue whatever you is in. Go with your gut. Go with your heart. Don't just go with what somebody else is telling you. Not even me. Because this is the thing. People gonna try to program you, influence you to go in a direction that they want you to go, so that way they can reap the rewards and sell when they sell. You get enough people to follow behind you. You first, then you lead 100,000 people, 10,000 people through a door, but you was there first. Stop listening to these damn YouTubers, man, and start going to study and really educate yourself. See, when y'all don't see me doing videos, it's not that I'm sitting there and I want to go see what this drip person talking about, this drip person talk about. From time to time, I'll watch a video. But I know it's the same thing, regurgitating the same thing. Go back and listen to their videos from a year, 2, 3 years ago. It's the same thing. I don't get nothing from doing this, because I realize everything start here, and it don't matter what another person tell you, because if this ain't right, they still could tell you something. You could have $100,000 to invest in crypto and do it the wrong way, because you got to get this right. Pay attention to how many athletes, NFL players, do the statistics on these people that got all this money and they go broke. How? People that hit the lottery for $100 million and they end up back, because this ain't changed. This got all these people around you. You an athlete. You got all these people around you who's supposed to be professionals and educated, and you go broke. Because at the end of the day, if you the person on that field, on that basketball court, whatever sport it is, baseball, whatever sport it is, this got to be right. I could have came on here, y'all, and I could have did the charts. I could have, listen, that don't serve y'all. Watching all of these videos, it's no different than people that watch 1,000,001 videos about preppers, 1,000,001 videos about conspiracy. Like, at some point, you just crazy. You keep watching the charts, keep watching the charts, keep watching the charts every single day. The market not gonna move that much every day. The market is going to shift maybe over 6 months to a year. I will continue to come on here, y'all, and serve in any way that I can serve. But the one thing I can tell y'all is, getting off of this video and summing it up, stop watching these YouTubers and start watching the economists. Start really paying attention to how the market moves. Where is it going? I can tell you a couple things. I know that the market is going to go in crypto, and technology is going to continue. The lithium batteries. We see artificial intelligence. Those 3 sectors you need to be paying attention to, but pay attention to them from the top, from the highest of the high people that's educating and informing and talking to people about it. Not the people that's at the bottom. These are bottom feeders, catfish, bottom feeders. They're just trying to get your money, period. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. If anything I said in this video has been of service, I'm going to continue to drop more and more content. I'll get back on and talk about the charts, man. But I'm like, you know what? That is just, they regurgitate. People regurgitating the same information. They're trying to keep you amped up, keep you hyped. You ain't said a bunch of shit. You ain't said nothing. Facts. Go study any one of these YouTubers and tell me, are they really giving you anything? Really? Or are they just keeping you entertained? Period. That's why I style like, man, that's no. You got to do it your way. Period. But a lot of this, y'all, they just trying to entertain y'all, man. Really educate yourself. Start going on Google. Go on Google right now and start looking up the top economists in the world. And I'm not going to say all of them are supposed to be super professional, but get your couple few and start comprising. Do it different, man. But if everybody going this way, you got to go a completely different way. That's why I'm not doing my videos like they doing their videos. That's not me. I'm doing me. Start here. Peace and love, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.